Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today we're going to talk about impact drive bits. But before we do that, please subscribe, like, and share my videos, and hit the bell so you get notification of new videos being uploaded. Let's get started. Impact drivers. These are made out of S2 modified steel. The spiral section here is a torsion zone to allow the bit to deflect. The spiral section prevents the bit from snapping and breaking. As you keep torquing the fastener, the pressure is put on the spiral here, which gives play to prevent the bit from snapping or breaking. You'll find a wide variety of these bits on our website. Check it out. It's a new product that we're carrying now. Let us know how it performs. Thanks for watching.